Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video I want to take and get some advice from, I'm sure there might be some people out there that do some concrete for a living that is a part of this YouTube community here on YouTube on our channel, and I'd like to just get some advice on what you guys think that I should do with, ta-da, this big old trough that's right in the middle of my workshop. So I just recently cleaned this out of a bunch of hay. It had just a whole bunch of hay, old animal feces, things of that nature in it. You know, it's an old barn. This used to be the hog end of the barn, and I'm pretty sure they had rabbits or something at some point in time in here. But if you guys don't know what this is, we used to always just call them gut troughs, but it's a trough where you wash all the poo-poo out out of the building. Basically, it's a place where you can scrape everything back to and then rinse it all back out of the building. Semi-convenient that way, I guess. A little gross now I'm talking about it, but anyways, farming, right? Farming. So my question posed to you is, what do you think I should do about this? Obviously, I'm going to fill it with concrete, but the way I see it, I have about 2 options laid before me. I'm not into getting a full concrete truck out here. In fact, there's still some difficulties of me being able to get people in this location with a concrete truck because I've got a lot of grass and a kind of a low-lying area that's a bit of a wet spot that the concrete truck would have to get through, which, with my moving experience getting the moving truck stuck, I don't know if a concrete truck would actually make it or not. So chances are I'm going to have to sackcrete this, at least for now. So I've got 2 things that I can do. I can either do the traditional way of sackcreting, where you break a bag in or what I've done in the past, I don't know if it's traditional or not, but you break a bag in a wheelbarrow, mix some water in, stir up the slurry, then wheelbarrow the wheelbarrow where you want to take and do, and then go ahead and dump it in the trough that way. Or the thing that I'm thinking about doing, and if this is a stupid idea or not, let me know. Hopefully this video will come out in time of me actually trying to undertake this process. I'll probably just wait until I get some feedback. I'm thinking about dumping the sackcrete straight into this trough here. So go ahead and in this trough here, it gets deeper as it goes back there. It's about 8 inches deep back there, and it's about 4 inches deep up here, just underneath the actual tripod on the camera here. I'm thinking about possibly dumping the sackcrete in here, and with water and a hoe, just taking and mixing the concrete while it's in the trough. Is that a stupid ideal or a good ideal? Let me know down in the comment section down below. If it's a stupid ideal, obviously we'll go with something else. And then the next thing is that I do plan on having this entire shop floor reconcreted at about 2 inches of concrete on top, just kind of like a skim coat to just get everything in one nice even playing field, get some pouring, some self-leveling or something in here when I can get a concrete truck in here and actually level this whole area back off. But that's going to be much further down the road. It's definitely not a necessity right now. That's henceforth. So the next question is, do I need to take and put some sort of mesh, rebar, anything in this piece to help tie that in, so this way it's not just like a floating piece that's going to crack and crumble and shifting sands, if you know what I'm saying. Anyways, comment down below if you do concrete work for a living, or if you've had similar things in the past that you've done this with before, where you've had a big old trough like this that needs to be filled, so that way somebody in the community can learn from it, especially this guy right here, because, I like to learn things like that. So this way I'm not wasting a whole bunch of money. Which this is, this building's quite expensive already as it is, but I'm loving every minute of it. I'm blessed to just even be able to get the chance to work on a building such as this. So anyways, not a gripe at all. It's just a fun little thing to know that it went this deep. At first I thought it was only like a 2-inch low. I thought it was just something that had dropped down, a section. And then, as I dug into it, like you do, the further you dig, the deeper the hole you're in. And this one just happened to bottom out at about 8 inches down that end. So anyways, that's it for today. I'll stop rambling. God bless each and every last one of you. If you liked this video, remember to leave a like and let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. Please, please, please. Would love your feedback. And if you would like to support more videos like this and what we do here at Christ Center Ironworks, Jessica and I, a great way of you doing that is checking out our website over at blacksmithpds.com and consider purchasing yourself either a power hammer plan or a ebook that we have written. So that's it for today. As always, God bless you. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.